Okay, Kickstarters, I'd like to introduce you to PyTop 4, the new go anywhere, do anything computer from PyTop. Now we've all got stuff that we want to do, stuff that we want to build, and PyTop 4 makes that possible. With PyTop 4, you'll not only learn to code, you'll also learn to make. It comes with a bunch of really easy to use programmable sensors, LEDs, buttons, and switches, so you can design, code, and make really cool stuff. For example, you could attach it to a balloon and monitor air quality, climb a tree, secure the PyTop to the tree, and record wildlife movements, program an amazing light show to wow an audience. Hello? Power robots and rovers and explore your world. PyTop 4 gets computing off the desk or sofa into the world to do real stuff. At the heart of PyTop 4 is the new Raspberry Pi 4, giving you loads more power to do even more exciting and cool stuff. On top, there are 4 programmable buttons and a mini screen to display things like data, system information, and whatever else you can think of. Oh! PyTop 4 comes with something called the PyTop Makers architecture, which allows you to cleverly connect all kinds of cool peripherals like LEDs, switches, and motors. And it does this using plates that fit snugly to the bottom of your PyTop 4. In the box, you get the foundation plate. So this is perfect for beginners, and you can plug loads of modules that you get in the kit into that and start playing with them. But if you want to start making more advanced designs, things that utilize things like motors and cameras, then you'll need what we call the expansion plate. That also clips on the bottom of your PyTop 4, but gives you access to much more complex designs. We've even made connecting your components to your inventions as easy as possible. Check this, they're magnetic. Isn't that cool? There's also a Lego mount, okay? So that connects to this LED, for example, magnetically, and then it'll clip into any standard Lego. PyTop 4 works straight out of the box. So if you plug in a screen, a mouse, or a keyboard, it'll work immediately. And you might want to go for the full experience by attaching it to the back of our HD touchscreen with detachable Bluetooth keyboard. Then you can use it like a tablet or in desktop configuration. Drone to desktop to DJ decks and back again. Not a problem. So that's the hardware, but there's so much more to PyTop 4 than that. You also get access to Further, our new social making platform that's free for anyone to use. With Further, you can upload anything from your design for a new rover to a recipe for a cake. Like that. So that's PyTop 4, the new go anywhere, do anything computer from PyTop. We think it's amazing and we hope that you do too. If you do, then choose the pledge that's right for you and join the maker movement.